Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse audio in Audacity. So let's have a look now. Open Audacity and import the audio track you want to reverse. Click and drag your mouse to highlight the portion of the audio you want to reverse. Go to the Effect menu, then choose Special and select Reverse. Audacity will instantly reverse the highlighted audio segment. Playback the audio to hear the reversed effect applied to the selected segment. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.